This little device holds pretty much my entire life in it, and I'm pretty sure I could say the same about you. Private messages, banking data, and so much more. It's just a perfect opportunity for yet another hacker to commit fraud. But you know what? I'm not gonna let him do it. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to remove hacker from my phone, figuratively, and how to prevent hacker activity from affecting you ever again. So, how to know if your phone is hacked? The first sign of something going wrong is unexpected activity, such as high data usage, new apps you've never installed yourself, strange calls or messages you never replied to, and so on. The second sign concerns the unusual behavior of your device. It can be overheating, sudden performance drops, ridiculous battery drain, apps acting out, and so on and so forth. So, third is already getting more serious: personal information leaks. If your accounts are accessed without your input, you get notifications of your email being used somewhere, your cloud has data you didn't upload, or even unauthorized payments, that's a sign things are going south. The fourth sign is security warnings. Those security alerts you tend to ignore, flashy pop-ups appearing where they shouldn't, or even antivirus notifications if you have one. Honestly, you should have one. Mobile phones often don't have any antivirus protection, relying on system security instead, which is not enough, as statistics show. So if you want the best antivirus 2024 for your Android or iPhone, check the link in the description. I've gathered the best mobile antivirus deals for your convenience. So let's say the signs have been piling up and now I'm convinced that my device is infected. How to remove hacker from my phone, hacker activity. Regardless of whether you have your iPhone hacked or Android phone hacked, the first steps will be similar. The first thing I recommend is disconnecting your phone from all networks. The SIM card goes out, Wi-Fi goes off, and don't turn it back on until you complete the next steps. Step 2. Check your device systems for suspicious apps or apps that you haven't installed. It's a good idea to check battery activity. If there's an app that wastes too much power, it might be the culprit. Go ahead and get rid of anything remotely suspicious. Now, while you're at it, use a different device to change your passwords. Focus on your email, financial apps, and any authenticators. They're going to come in handy in case you need to recover any passwords later. Step 4 involves using antiviruses. Even if there's a chance you can find some low-level malware or spyware in your apps with Step 2, only specialized software will be able to find malicious files hiding in your system. With most antivirus providers, your job will be done the moment you press scan. While mobile antivirus tools like Total AV have great smart scans, I recommend you do the deep scan for the first time to make sure no corner is left unturned. It's going to take longer, but better safe than sorry. Still, it's important to understand that some malware might have root permission, which is basically admin rights for mobile devices. Files like that are very hard to detect and delete, and they're going to be resisting all such attempts. So even after using an antivirus, if your device still exhibits sign of malware, the only remaining solution is an optional Step 5, that's factory reset. This is the last resort, as a factory reset will wipe all data from your device, returning it to pristine, clear condition. Now, you may try to back up your most important data, but no apps. They may be the cause of malware, so reinstalling them might just cause the problem to return. That's why I recommend you install apps one at a time and observe how your device performs for a while. So now that how to remove a hacker from my phone is no longer a question, I want to show you how to prevent malware from coming back. My first piece of advice is kind of obvious. Don't ignore software updates. If your phone throws an update at you, take it. Those always contain security improvements and update internal malware databases. But even with that, you got to use an antivirus. Getting one is not a massive investment, but it can do a lot to protect you from phishing attacks, malware infections, and online threats. If you don't have any apps in mind, check the description. I've left my recommendations and the best discounts for everything that I use. Or you can scan this QR code with your phone before criminals snatch access to it. But even with an antivirus, you should be careful about using public Wi-Fi or charging stations. If you've seen my videos, you must already know that unprotected Wi-Fi networks are a prime route for malware infection, and so can be modified USB charging stations. And to completely avoid phishing attacks, make sure you don't open links sent to you by email. It's better to type the website into the search bar yourself just to make sure that the page is legitimate and not a fraudulent copy. Also, don't download any files sent to you unless you're 100% sure that the files are legit. In conclusion, to answer the question how to know if your phone is hacked, look for telltale signs of infection. If you're always vigilant, then you may be able to notice the infection before any damage is dealt. If your phone is hacked, there are ways to get rid of malware yourself, either by using a good antivirus app or completely factory resetting your device. To prevent any further infections, make sure to avoid public Wi-Fi and charging stations, doubt any suspicious emails, and invest in the best antivirus to always stay safe. All right, I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you encountered any signs of malware yourself and what made you think, how can I know my phone is hacked? I'm curious about your experiences. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.